Not so close. What's your name?
Yeah, but I'm thinking about it.
Exactly. He doesn't know his name.
Jordan from Jordan and Callie's Rod.
What are we doing today, guys?
Today we are going to be opening up the Five Surprise, and I have the girl version, and my brother has the boy version.
All right, so we have the pink and the... So let's take a look.
Jordan has a Mountain
So we've got...
Dew.
We've got the unboxed 5 toys. So Zuru Five Surprise.
Now,
So
I want to open it.
collect. How many is there to collect, Callie?
There is more than 100 to collect.
150 plus to collect. And there is some of the characters we can collect. All right, let's take a look at the boy one. Let's take a look at the one Jordan's going to be opening up. So there is the Zuru Five Surprise. Looks like there's dinosaurs and robots and ninjas and cars. Callie has opened up one of the boys' ones. They're pretty cool. So unbox 5 toys. All right, now we're going to watch them struggle opening up these packages. How long is it going to take?
150.
It's going to take 150,000 hours later.
Actually, I know.
What?
10 minutes to never.
10 minutes to never. All right, looks like Jordan is getting a head start. He's got some of the plastic off. Callie's struggling with the scissors.
Oh, yay!
Did Callie make some? Oh, she did too.
I did.
Mine's all the way out.
All right, so do you know how to open them?
Yep.
Oh, Jordan broke it.
No, you're supposed to do
Oh,
that.
you're supposed to do that. Okay.
We have to get this off.
And then they open up like a orange. So there is the one part.
Also, there's this like an LOL. There's this like an LOL.
Kind of like an LOL doll.
And I can never open it. Almost.
Oh, look at this.
Approximately.
Callie gets it done first. What's going on? Okay, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. All right. What did you... Open up your first one, then Jordan will open up one.
The key charm of ice cream.
Oh, her favorite. Callie loves some ice cream.
Also, I think it's Costco. It looks like Costco's ice cream, and Costco has such
It might be
good ice cream.
Costco's ice cream.
It has that little swirl at the top.
Look at that. So Callie starts off with a keychain,
Which is
an ice cream
really good.
keychain.
Okay, let's open
let's
it.
stand it.
Doesn't this
Hold
look
on. Let's.
I'm peeking.
What we're gonna have-
Look like a pumpkin.
Looks like a pumpkin.
It looks like an orange.
Looks like an orange, or
How
maybe,
do I open this thing?
or maybe a lemon.
How do I open this?
A lemon.
Alright, so-
Lemons are more of a weird shape.
So you have to take the paper off,
What did you get?
Your mom.
and let's see.
Kieran just said he got your mom.
All right, let's see what Jordan got. Stop hitting the table. All right, that's.
Kieran, can I do it? You literally ripped the tab on.
Of course he did.
Oh, that's so cool. He got a marker.
All right, let's see.
Oh, like we just got.
Let's see what
last night.
let's see what Jordan got.
He got a weird. He got a. So we both got keychains.
Oh, Jordan got a keychain as well. Isn't that funny how they opened up this? Oh, hold on. So it opens up,
Mine's just a plain keychain.
and there you go. Looks like it's a pen.
Mine's just a plain old keychain, but I like it.
Can you actually write notes? Oh, it's his autograph.
It does say
All right, Callie opening up spot number 2.
There's always stickers, I think, or tattoos, whatever they are.
I think
At least you got cute ones this time.
last time they were. What were they last time?
Boy boy stickers that I don't like.
All right, so these are some 3D
Jordan
stickers.
just broke his toy.
And of course, Jordan just
Jordan
broke it.
broke his toy. He broke an orange jaw.
Oh, it does matter. All right, so there is. Here's some of the stickers.
I wish they were tattoos. They're so cute.
They're 3D stickers.
And they're sparkly.
Can I see that one?
Yeah, it's so cute.
Hold on.
I took all of them off.
They're all so cute. Oh no, I think they are.
Oh, that's a cool one. I like this one right here.
Yeah, that one's my favorite.
That
Probably.
one's pretty cool.
This one's very cute too, and this one, they're all so cute.
They're all pretty cute.
Sure now. You have to open this one. Just stab
Okay,
your
Jordan.
finger in.
Or just take your scissors. Or just do that.
Oh, that's cool. You got
Oh,
a dinosaur.
look at that.
You got a crocodile with
Jordan got a
purple-
crocodile.
with purple stripes.
Oh, and also Jordan opened up the one with what you get.
Okay, can I open this now?
So it looks like you can get. Hold on.
I
Looks
think
like you can get skateboards, cars, sea creatures, dinos, insects. All right. Oh, and my favorite, the poop gang. Okay, Callie.
Look, I got a pin. Remember last time I got a pin, and this time I got another.
Oh,
pin. This
cool.
one's so cute. It got the heart and polka dots.
Oh, look at that.
I'm gonna try to.
It's a much cuter pin than what Callie thought of last time.
Fixed it.
All right, Jordan,
I don't know what one I was
Open
supposed
up.
to open.
your next one. Doesn't matter.
No, not that one.
Open
I
up.
got the pin on. How do I let?
Let's see.
It's this one.
There's Callie's pin. All right, Jordan.
This is like a little.
Open
pocket.
it up. Let's take the garbage off the
Is this
table.
edible?
Oh, looks like Jordan got some sort of. Is it putty?
I don't know. I just didn't know that.
I just wrapped this with my teeth. Oh no, that's what I got last time. You got the same thing.
Callie got this as well last time. Oh, there's the
I'll go
there's the
get
key
it.
pens. That's what Jordan got. And
It's in the background of the video. See? It was in
Oh.
the background of the video. It was right here.
oh yeah, that's what that is. Yes,
Little sea creature.
it's the sea creature, or it's the
Octopus thing.
it's the
Squishy.
squishies and squeezers. All right, look
Yeah,
at that.
let's
We almost got a matching pair
Oh,
there.
can I see that? What? Yours is so sticky.
Hi, girlfriend. Do you know?
Oh,
It did not work.
it did not work.
It worked for his.
Let's see. Throw it. Where is it?
Fall in my hand. It's not gonna.
All right.
Here you go.
No, that. Okay.
All right, Callie. Open up your next one.
Okay. This is what if you don't have the tab there. You stick your two thumbs in it. And then
Oh,
it's
you
like-
do this.
Oh, I got a highlighter! I saw these, I think this is a highlighter.
Looks like a
It came
popsicle.
with paper.
Looks like a popsicle to
It
me.
came with paper, so it has to be. Oh, you
Oh,
see?
it
I
is
told
too.
you it was a
Look at
highlighter. Oh, that's a nice highlight.
It looks like it's orange.
Highlighter. Oh.
An orange popsicle.
Help me.
Or I guess it'd be a creamsicle, right? An orange creamsicle?
Creamsicles are so good.
Yes, they are.
And this is so cute.
All right, let's. Oh, and you bit a piece of it off.
I did not.
Look at this.
It
She
came
bit
like
a piece
that.
off.
It came like that. I promise.
Look at that. So far, you got an ice cream cone and a popsicle and some cool stickers. Jordan has got.
Hi, my taxi Joe. Nom, 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 nom.
I don't know if I'm supposed to open it like that.
What?
I just do.
All All right. Open up. Let's see
Jordan
what you
got
get.
Worms!
Worms?
Look at that!
Oh my gosh.
Wake my sister up.
Someone pranked him!
What?
Oh, look at that.
Mine!
Yeah!
Oh, hi, buddy.
Where's the list that Jordan got?
Find it. Let's see what it is. I didn't even see those before.
What do I have to do with these? How am I supposed to open this?
Just open up the bag. Take the scissors. Right here. Open the top of it.
I cannot find it. It's not.
Don't cut your
even
foot off,
on
though.
there.
I haven't seen them either.
It's not on there. Did
I see.
someone prank him? Is this like a prank thing? You should feel it first if they break.
Oh yeah, I did not see these at all. Unless...
Oh!
I'll get a worm.
There they are. Thank
good.
goodness they're not real.
Hi, guys. Where are they?
Or, hey, no. All
Let's
right.
just go on to this next one.
Let's go on to Callie's next one.
It's probably going to be way cuter than bugs.
Then these maggots. Tell me if they start moving, because they stop moving. If they start moving.
Ah, they moved! Oh, look, they got a cute doll. That's cute. And also, I got
Let's see.
this.
Let's see. Let's take a look. Let's take a look.
Where's the list?
Let's take a look.
It's
Where's
this.
the list
That's
thing?
the doll, and then you put the dress on the doll.
Here's the doll. Oh, she got a doll.
She has a big head, though.
She has a big head.
That's why this dress is so big.
There.
Okay.
She got the hat.
Are these what the zombies eat? I take it.
What is it?
The maggots. These things. I think that's what the zombies eat.
Wow.
You know, I didn't see them on the checklist, but there is 150 plus toys. So, all right, who's up next?
Me. I'm trying to get this on.
No, it's Jordan.
No, it's me.
Hey, Jordan, you just opened up the dolly.
Yeah, and there's no more left.
Is that your fifth one?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
Oh, wow. I
1,
opened
2,
this-
3, 4. What was the fifth one? Oh, yeah. No. What was the fifth one? I'll have to rewind it.
1,
Rewind.
2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5.
Oh, no.
Not mine.
That's Jordan.
I forget what else you opened.
I didn't open
Must.
it.
Oh,
The highlighter?
No, the highlighter's here. Oh, I don't know. Okay, Jordan.
I opened this with my finger.
Cool. What did you get?
What is that?
Oh, balloons.
Oh, I got
Oh,
balloons
Jordan
last
got
time.
balloons as
I
well.
got the orange one. Let's watch.
You know mine.
See who can do it faster.
All right, let's see who blows it up first.
No, it went down my shirt.
Oh my gosh. They might be water balloons.
True.
But I think Callie and I were able to blow them up a little bit.
Let's me try it. I'll be right back.
Oh, there we go.
Jordan, I did it.
Callie did it.
Ta-da! Put some blush on. Eyeshadow.
All right, so if we go back and let's take a look at what Callie can get.
A doll.
So here is the checklist.
Definitely a doll.
So
she's
she can get ponies. She can get mermaids. She can get butterfly rings. She can get brushes and combs. She can get badges. She can get cute pets. She can get pretty plants. And she can get dress-up princesses, which she got. And on the back, there's more. There's the highlighters. There's the key pens.
These are water balloons.
These are their stickers. There's hair clips, which she got. She got stamps. She got there's gem beds, shoes, and ice creams. And of course, Callie got ice creams. All
I
right.
want to see.
So remember to subscribe. Actually, let's take a look.
Jordan just farted. Jordan just farted.
Okay. Let's not tell
Well, I have
everybody.
to alert the house.
All right. So these are what the kids got. Okay, Jordan.
I'm gonna look for something that I wanted. That's
All right.
my favorite.
So remember to subscribe to the Callie and Jordan squad. Comment down below what you think of these 5 surprise.
Except for these.
What do you think of the Maggots?
Or maybe they're macaroons.
Maybe they're macaroons?
No, not macaroons. What are they called? Croissants.
Croissants? No, they're not that for sure.
I have a question.
Comment down below. Give us a big thumbs up. And until next time.